In this video, we are going to discuss age hardening alloy. Okay, age hardening, also known as precipitation hardening, is low temperature heat treating process to increase the strength and mechanical properties of many aluminum alloys. The process of age hardening alloy. Aging is a low temperature heat treating process, typically run at temperatures between 255 Fahrenheit and 350 Fahrenheit. The material is held at the required temperatures for an extended period of time, usually between 5 and 36 hours, depending on the materials. Due to the low temperature, discharge is generally not an issue during the aging process. The material must be straight prior to the aging process because the increase in strength and mechanical properties drastically drastically reduces and materials ductility, making post stage straightening difficulties. Heat treatment process, common heat treatment process. First one is aging and annealing, homogenization and preheating, solution heat treatment, quenching and stress relief, tempering. These are the various heat treatment process. But the common heat treatment process is annealing, normalizing, hardening, aging, and stress relieving, tempering, carburization. These are the common heat treatment process. Stages of heat treatment process. In these stages of heat treatment process, the heating is the first stage in the heat treating process. Right, then soaking is the stage at which the complete part of the heated metal completely change in its structure, and final one is cooling. The third stage of the heat treatment is cooling. Heat treatment process. At first, we are going to discuss aging. The whole of aging is to occasion precipitation and dispersion of the alloy solute to acquire the degree of the stable equilibrium achieved for a given grade in a function of both time and temperature. In order to achieve this, the microstructure must recover from an unstable or misstable conditions produced by solution, treating and quenching by or cold working. Next, we are going to discuss annealing. Annealing is used for both heat treatable, right, and non-heat treatable alloys to increase part ductility with a slight reduction in strength. Then homogenization of aluminum alloy is the highest temperature heat treatment. That means that the temperature will be 450 to 600 degrees centigrade. Performed after casting and consists of three distinct steps and heat up, soak and cool down. Then we are going to discuss quenching. Quenching rapid cooling is as by um, immersion and oil or in immersion in oil or water of a metal object from the high temperature at which it have been shaped. This usually is undertaken to maintain mechanical properties associated with crystalline structure or phase distinction that would be lost upon slow cooling, right? Next, we are going to discuss tempering. Tempering is metallurgy process of improving the characteristics of the metal, especially steel, by heating into high temperature through below the melting point, then cooling it usually in air. The process has the effect of listening brittleness and reducing internal stresses.